Located 1,300 kilometres north of Brisbane, Townsville is the largest city in Australia's north of Brisbane. It's situated in a geographical hotspot with a unique set of ingredients for future prosperity. While Townsville's property market has been flat for the last decade, it is one of the best performed markets in Australia during the pre-global financial crisis decade. Townsville, in fact, is one of Australia's top 10 electorates in terms of per capita income, and is consistently ranked as one of the top 10 cities. So, if you're looking for opportunities to invest, develop, and do business in North Australia, Townsville might just be the place to start investing. For many years, Townsville was the quintessential mining city. It had grown on the back of a huge expansion in Australia's mining heartland, with construction of major port facilities bringing thousands of new jobs to the area. But it also suffered when the industry's fortunes waned. Now, however, the prospect of a remote working becoming permanent fixture for many businesses has brought more stable prosperity to Townsville, as urban families and couples leave overcrowded cities for a slower paced lifestyle. As rent and property prices continue to rise in Australia's major cities and workers given more flexibility to work from home, it's likely that this trend will continue. The city and the surrounding regions are growing with new opportunities and challenges. There are many opportunities for existing producers and investors to grow and succeed in local industries. It has strong industries in education, healthcare, retail, construction, and manufacturing. And as home to the largest army base in Australia, there is an ongoing boost to this regional economy. It is also home to 2 universities, including James Cook University and the Central Queensland University. The quality of the rental property market is dependent on many factors: a property's condition, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, location within the city, and proximity to public transport and quality schools are just some of the criteria. But with Australia's demand for accommodation so high, it's important that landlords have enough inventory to meet demand, especially in suburbs with tight supply. In some areas of Australia, there are more properties for rent than there are potential tenants. In these areas, tenants have the upper hand in negotiating their rent. Townsville has the opposite problem. It needs an increase in property investment in order to meet the growth that is being experienced in the north of Queensland. For investors, low vacancies means one thing: fewer rivals and higher profits. Another clue as to the future of Townsville is infrastructure spending. Local governments commit to spending years in advance, so if you notice investment in roads, schools, and hospitals in a specific area, it's likely that the area will benefit from this. Townsville and the rest of North Queensland are currently in the middle of investment boom, with more than $7 billion committed to infrastructure investment over the next few years. Other local improvements include spending on the Port of Townsville and James Cook University, indicating that job growth and house building will likely be on the rise. That confidence is starting to trickle down to property buyers, and some suburbs of the city have reported price jumps of as much to 30% in the last year. So I hope this has given you a little bit of insight into what Townsville is all about. The economic recovery of North Queensland and heavy infrastructure investments indicate that this tropical property market has the potential to achieve significant growth in the coming years. As I've mentioned before, recent market data has indicated strong growth momentum as well. And although holding costs are generally higher, the affordable price paired with the high rental return makes it possible for investors to still enjoy a positive cash flow. If you want to know more about Townsville's history, please feel free to reach out. Oh, and remember to like and subscribe for all of that other stuff. I'm Palise, author of Residential Property Explained Simply. Thanks for watching, guys.